Hey everyone! Today, I want to dive into something that's way more than just riding. It's not only about motorcycles, it's not merely about the roads, it's about a vibe. A vibe that exists somewhere between liberation and anxiety, between quiet and noise, between control and disorder. It's the thrill of cruising through nature and confronting the uncertain paths ahead. For those who genuinely ride, this is more than just a pastime. It's not simply a way to kill time or a method to get from point A to point B. It's something more profound, something that hits home, something authentic. There's always a pause before every ride, a moment of tranquility, a moment when time seems to slow down. You stand next to your bike, gazing at it, feeling the weight of the adventure that lies ahead, not just in a physical sense, but mentally and emotionally. You sense it. The road beckoning you, the uncertainties waiting, the calm before the storm. No distractions, no hustle, just calmness. And in that calmness, you discover a unique kind of serenity. You slip on your helmet. You adjust your gloves. You inhale deeply. And for a split second, all your life as concerns seem distant. The challenges, the tension, distress, the clamor of the world, everything fades away. Because right now, only one thing matters. The ride. You twist the key, and then the engine roars to life. That sound, that rich, powerful sound. It's more than just the bike starting up. It's a sign that a new adventure is about to unfold. A journey, a feeling, a moment that is yours alone. As the engine hums gently beneath you, you can feel it in your chest. A surge of energy, a sense of movement, a sense of direction. And then you're off. The wheels start turning, slowly at first, then with assurance. And just like that, you've stepped into another realm, a realm where nothing else matters except you, your ride, and the road ahead. The moment you hit the road, everything shifts. Your concentration sharpens. Your awareness expands. You don't just look at the road, you truly experience it. Every little detail counts. Every sound, every shift, every shake. It all becomes part of your perception. Your hands grip the throttle. Your fingers move instinctively. Your body sways with the bike. You and your ride are in sync. There is no divide anymore. Just motion. Just rhythm. Just command. And then the landscape starts to unfold. Nature envelops you. Endless green fields. Tall trees lining the way. Mountains standing proudly in the distance. The sky opens up above you. The air feels different here. Purer, fresher, lighter. You take a deep breath. And it's like the first real breath you've had in ages. The wind brushes against you, not as a barrier, but as liberation. It flows over you, around you, through you, and in that moment, you feel it. Freedom, true freedom. Not just the kind people describe with words, but the kind you experience, silently, deeply, completely. The road stretches ahead endlessly. Each curve, each turn, each straight line. It all feels like a story unfolding. You don't rush it. You don't fight it. You flow with it. Because riding through nature teaches you something important. It teaches you to live in the moment. Not in the past, not in the future, but right now, every second matters. Every breath matters. Every decision matters. But not every road is peaceful. Not every journey is smooth. Because somewhere along that beautiful road, things begin to change. The surface becomes rough. The path narrows. The visibility decreases. The road becomes unpredictable. And suddenly, the feeling changes. Your body becomes more alert. Your mind becomes more focused. Because now you are not just riding for enjoyment. You are riding with awareness. This is where the true challenge begins. Because dangerous roads don't give warnings. They don't announce themselves. They appear suddenly and they demand your full attention. A sharp turn ahead. You can't see what's coming next. The road disappears behind the curve. And in that moment, you have to decide, do you trust yourself? Do you slow down? Do you take control? It all happens in seconds. But those seconds carry weight. Because riding teaches you something life often hides. Uncertainty is everywhere. And the only way to move forward is to stay aware, stay calm, stay in control. Because out here, there is no room for distraction, no space for carelessness. Every movement counts. Every decision matters. The road demands respect, not fear, but respect. Because fear can stop you, but respect keeps you alive. You start to understand your limits. You start to understand the balance between control and risk. You learn when to push and when to slow down. You learn when to trust your instincts and when to be cautious. And slowly, you begin to grow. Every ride changes you. Every road teaches you something new. You become more aware, more disciplined, more in control. And that awareness doesn't stay on the road. It follows you into life. Because riding is not just about movement. It's about mindset. It teaches you patience, focus, responsibility. It teaches you to stay calm under pressure, to think before acting, to respect both speed and safety. And most importantly, it teaches you about yourself. Because when you're out there with nothing but your bike and the open road, you can't hide. There's no one to impress, no one to pretend for. Just you and your choices. And in that honesty, you discover who you really are. As the journey continues, the sun begins to change. The light softens. The sky turns into shades of orange and gold. The world begins to slow down again, and the road becomes peaceful once more. You ease the throttle. You let the engine breathe. You take in the silence, the beauty, the journey itself. And in that moment, you realize something. The road didn't change. The world didn't change, but you did. You are no longer the same person who started this ride. You are stronger, calmer, more aware, more connected, because every mile you traveled, every challenge you faced, every moment of beauty and danger, it all became part of you. And that is what makes riding so powerful. It's not just movement, it's transformation. So remember this, the thrill is real. The freedom is real. But so is the responsibility. And if you truly love riding, then you will respect it. You will stay aware. You will stay in control. Because at the end of the day, it's not about how fast you go or how dangerous the road is. It's about the fact that you made it back. You experienced something real, and you lived to tell the story. So take a deep breath, feel the moment, hold the throttle steady, and keep moving forward. Because this road, this life, this feeling is a gift. So ride free, but always ride safe. Stay focused, stay alive, and keep the ride alive.